subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. I am Prakhya and in today's video I will be doing a tutorial on 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Many of you think it's very tough, but in fact it's the easiest. So guys, do you know who invented the Rubik's Cube? Stay tuned for the answer. So before you start the Rubik's Cube, you need to know two things. The first thing is that there are three layers. The first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. So there are three layers. Colors depend on the base you're choosing. The base I choose is white. So the side facing towards me is blue and the opposite side is green. So this is white, the base color. And this is the second layer and the third layer. You can choose your base color as any color. So the second thing you need to know is side facing towards you is called as F, and the side facing opposite of you is called as B. The rightmost column is called as R and the leftmost column is called as L. So when R moves in clockwise direction, it's called as R. When it moves in anti-clockwise direction, it's called as R dash. When L moves in anti-clockwise direction, it's called as L. And when it moves in clockwise direction, it's called as L dash. And the top layer is called as U. And the opposite side is called as U dash. Same like that. This is the bottom layer. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is you chose your base color. That I chose my base color white. So now we are going to do the column, the edges. These four pieces are called as edges and these four pieces are called as corners. So now I chose the one edge piece. I found the edge piece, white and orange. So I need to place it in the right place and I have to do this formula. So this middle layer is called as M. So M, face, M back and face back. Similarly I have to do for all. But in some cases there might be a edge piece reversed. For example, I have this edge piece over here and it has blue here and white at the bottom. So when I do the same formula and it has like this, the edge piece is flipped. So you have to do this formula again. It's face, it's U dash, R and U again. So we did it. So I'm going to solve the rest of the cube using the same formula. So I did the plus sign. Now we go to the corners. So to go to the corners, choose any three colors. So red, green and white. So I need to find the corner piece where it is. Red, green and white. So I have a corner piece here. Red, green and white. So if the white is facing towards the right side, you have to do this formula. It's face back, R, face and R back. But now in some cases the white might be facing towards you. That time you should do this formula. L dash, face, L and face back. So now I have white, green and blue. So it's facing towards the right. So I do this formula again. But in some cases, the white might be flipped. So what you have to do that time is white, you have to do the same thing like this. I don't have a flipped white coin, but if you have a flipped white coin, you should follow the formula which is written on the screen. So now let's go to the second layer. You all finished the first layer. Give yourself a star for doing such an amazing job. So now we flip the white down and now we go to the second layer. To do the second layer, we have to use two simple formulas. So first I have here red and green. So these two are matching. So I place it over here and this coin needs to come over here. So then I do this formula. U R dash U dash. Turn towards your right and do like this. It's an L dash, U dash and L. So look, we got the coin here. So similarly, you use the same formula and do it again. But sometimes I have the thing already here. I have already a coin here. I already have a coin over here. So what I do is I choose any random color here which is on the third layer and I just replace it from over here. So now from here to here you need to get a coin from here to here. Then what do? You use this formula. It's U dash, L dash, U dash again, L and U. Turn towards your left and do R, U and R back. So we got it over here. The coin might be right here. So we have it over here. So we do the same formula again to get it in the right place. So I got it right in the place. Now we are going to the third layer. We're going to the third layer. So now what we do is your yellow edge pieces might be looking like any of the following. So you have to follow this formula until you get the cross. It is face, R, U, R dash, U dash and face back. Now I have a horizontal line. So I have to keep the line horizontal itself and do the same formula again. And I have it. But these edge pieces are not matching. So I move the piece around till I find a page that matches. These two match. But sometimes the opposite sides match instead of these two adjacent pieces matching. So what you do is if opposite pieces are matching, you have to put one piece at the back and one piece at the front and do this formula which I am showing. Or if you have two adjacent pieces, you have to put one piece at the back and one piece towards your right and do the same formula. So it is R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U and R dash and a U. So you can see now these are matching. Sometimes they don't match. So you should do the same formula again. Now we are finally noticing the yellow corners since we have to solve them the last. So to solve them, we need to find at least one piece that matches and that is in the right place. So I have this piece in the right place. If you don't have any piece in the right place, no problem. You have to just do this formula till you get one. So it is U, R, then you have to turn U dash, knocking off this white piece, and L dash, then you have to do U again, knocking off this white piece, and R dash, U dash and a L. So now if you check, you must be having at least one piece at the right place. I have this. So now I do the same formula again till all the pieces match. So I have all the pieces matching in the right place. If you're lucky, you'll have 2 or 3 turn the right way. but if you're not, you have to just do this formula. So you have to keep your thumb finger on these 4 pieces and put the piece which is not turned the right way but is in the right place and do this formula. So I got one and I'm getting the second one. So that's it. Good job, you all finished your cube. So guys, the answer to the question is the person who invented the Rubik's Cube is Erno Rubik. He invented it almost 47 years ago and it's still famous, guys. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.